Did you know that 1 out of every 5 cars on the road today needs its serpentine belt replaced? That's right. Data from the Auto Care Association says that 20% of vehicles in operation need a new belt. And AAA reports that the number 2 reason for towing is belt failure. This is a great opportunity for repair shops to conduct front-end system inspections and maintenance. Let's look at 5 simple tips that you can use to help your shop customers follow the best maintenance procedures for the engine drive system and set themselves and motorists up for success. Number 1, checking belts, tensioners, and pulleys around 60,000 miles. These components need to be changed around 80 to 85,000 miles, so inspection before that is crucial. Number 2, using a belt wear gauge like Awareness Gauge from Dayco versus a general visual inspection. Today's belts are mostly made from ethylene propylene diene monomer, so they wear more like a tread and don't necessarily form cracks like older belts. This tool will help identify the rib depth and the rib profile. It also makes it much easier to tell the difference between a new belt and a worn belt. A new belt will have ribs shaped like V's, a used belt will look more like a U. Number 3, a noise check is in order. Squeaks and squeals from the front end are a telltale sign that something is not functioning properly in the system. Oftentimes, it is not the belt, but it's the result of a tensioner misalignment or a worn bearing on the pulley. Number 4, even with no noise, taking a good look at the tensioner and pulley bearings is critical during inspection. Any signs of extreme wear should call for system replacement. And speaking of system replacement, that's our 5th and final tip. Replace all front-end drive system components together. This best practice helps avoid slip or misalignment issues from worn components, as well as reduces the risk of comebacks. Replacing the belt, tensioner, and pulley can also lead to more profitability for shops and better customer satisfaction rates. Kits like this from Dayco include all the parts needed to ensure that all 3 components are replaced together and the repair job is done correctly the first time. Thanks for watching.